Hey everyone, this is Sansleep and it's my day one of my English journey on YouTube channel, and I am recording this video because I want to improve my English. I want to connect more people. I want to connect all over the world. That's why I'm recording, and I want to like this video approach who want to speak English, who want to be a good communicator like me. So, and if you are watching this, then I can say I am learning and you are learning and we are doing this together. So, in this video, I will tell you that how I start my YouTube journey. So, I started YouTube journey when I was in class 10th. I don't remember clearly, but maybe I was in class 10th or 12th. Then that time I started my YouTube journey. That time, my brother said to me, "You should start your YouTube journey," because I was good in study. So my brother said, "You can spread your knowledge on YouTube channel." So that's why I started. I create a YouTube channel, and but that time I was not consistent because of board exam. Uh, and that's as I said you that as I told you, I don't remember that I was in 12th or 10th. So that time my board exams are near, so I was not focused on my YouTube channel. Then I went college, then I joined college, but still that time I also was not focused on YouTube channel. And that time people are not more aware from YouTube channel or social media. So I only want to be a good educator. Yeah, you call, I want to get good marks in my college or board exams. So I didn't more focus on my YouTube channel. And that time my goal was not set. Like my mother said, whatever you are studying, you should upload. People can watch your videos and understand your video, then you can grow uh, from the YouTube channel. But uh, I have no, like I don't know that how should I upload that, what is hashtags, what is tag, how to tag people, how to means I don't know anything. Well, only I make videos. If you go on my previous video and even at least even a last video, then you can watch this. You can watch it that I taught their ad, like टू और थ्री ऐड करेंगे तो कितना होगा, like this. And that time I feel so funny when I uh, watched that video, but I didn't delete because that uh, because for remembering me that how I start my YouTube channel. Then in college life I was good in chemistry, so I create a chemistry video, small topic like what is mass. And if you are a chemistry student, then you can understand and you are able to watch this, you can understand that video. And who are not studying, who are not good at chemistry, they also understand that video because I explain in a both way, Hindi and English language. And now even this time comment on that video, like uh, you are telling me, right? Like my voice that time, like a wire, like girl's voice, house. So yeah, I feel different, like how I make that videos, like that type of feeling uh, come from my inside. Okay. So so it from this side, I can say that how I start my YouTube journey. So now my goal is clear that what I will do here, and I am improving, and maybe I am improving. And I use chat GPT, I use lot of videos, English videos to watch, to improve my English. I watch a lot of vocabularies to improve my English, but still I feel no, I can explain everything, but I have no clear sentence. Okay, like I speak, but not can clearly. I'm not able to telling you, but yeah, one day I will definitely tell you that how where I am, and how I improve and how I reached on fluency. I know fluency means doesn't mean that you are a fast speaker. Fluency means you you have to speak clear, okay? And I'm not speaking clear, I know, and that's why I'm recording myself, and it's a day one. So yeah, uh, that's it for today, and bye bye. See you in the day two.